Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. Today I want to show you this awesome battery powered impact that I got from Ryobi. This is a 1/2-inch impact that has 300 foot-pounds of torque, fits all standard Ryobi batteries, and is compact and takes off even the hardest bolts. I'm going to show you a video here in a second where I'm using a 15/16" impact socket to take off lug nuts from a Dodge Ram 2500. If you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out a lot. You can use any of the Ryobi batteries in this impact. Here I have a 2 amp hour, which is a little bit low powered for running this, but it will still run it for smaller bolts. In this video that I'm going to show you, I'm using the 4 amp hour battery, which works great for taking these lug nuts off of my Ram. And then I also have the 9 amp hour battery, which is amazing for those really hard stuck on bolts. What I love about this impact is there is no need for an air compressor, a air hose, or any of those things that go along with that restrict your movement. I like that I can just throw this in my vehicle. Like if I'm going on a trip, I can just throw it in there, and if I get a flat tire, I don't have to worry about trying to use a lug wrench to take those nuts off. As you can see in this video, this was a battery that was not even fully charged, and it still took off all the lug nuts all the way around this truck and put them back on. If you don't know, lug nuts on a Dodge Ram 2500 are on there pretty tight, and they're pretty big nuts. If you're interested in one of these, go ahead and click that link down in the description. Get yourself one.